here's my necklace I made today. I got actually a compliment on it from a lady at Presbyterian, where I went in for my counseling for behavioral health, and she was asking about this one, and it was really cool. And what else I was gonna say? What else was it? Shoot, I forgot. Hold on. I don't know how to pause this thing. Dang it. So it better be fast. What the heck was I gonna say again? I know it was gonna be something smart, but I don't remember. Shoot. But I was gonna say something. I literally was. It was something including about the pen, but I totally forgot. Uh-oh.
Necklace?
Oh yes, but my necklace. But anyways, somebody was asking about how I made it, but it's just that I made it from earphones. Earphone pieces, yeah. It's all about selling products, merchandise, man. It's all about, oh shoot. That's all it's about, man. It's about selling merchandise, like that. I don't want to get your face in there, because I know you don't like that stuff. Ew.
That's what she said.
Right. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 the boop, boop, boop. Heh. Heh. Ew, you know what I'm saying.
What the fuck?
Just kidding. Ew.